Hello there. Although you may not have officially met us yet, you're more than likely to have seen our awe-inspiring pieces of work here, there, and everywhere. You've probably wondered, who made these wonderful video screens? Well, the answer will tell you everything about us. LianTronics. LianTronics is a decade-old experienced company dedicated to delivering top-of-the-line LED display products since 2003. We have two great brands, LianTronics and Esdlumen, providing LED display products and solutions covering indoor, outdoor, rental, sports, and many more. We provide international localization service network with over 40,000 installations in most of the world. That's why you can see our products everywhere. So, how do we make these superior LED screens? First and foremost, we have been concentrating on LED display manufacturing for over 2 decades. Our A to Z manufacturing chain even starts from self-produced masks, back shells to cabinets for true blue reliable rental and permanent installations. Thereon, we have pioneered various industry-leading craftsmanship to deliver better display quality, longer lifespan, and higher product quality above industry standard. Our self-built production lines allow for guaranteed superior products that you can rely on for all your LED display applications. Through our rigorous quality control system, our LED screens will pass 400+ tests, including anti-vibration, aging, moisture-proof, and fireproof tests. Yes, they're tough, ready-for-action LED displays for most any application. As you see, we're well equipped with an 80,000-meter factory, producing LED displays every month that are more than enough to cover 2 football pitches. Of course, there is more to producing LED displays than just the manufacturing of the products. We've been granted nearly 500 patents and kept consistently upgrading the display technologies while exploring more diverse display applications. Above all, we concentrate on your true needs. That's why we're expanding our global local service network with one-stop service system to take over all your concerns from transportation, installation, debugging to maintenance. 24/7, we're just one call away. Furthermore, we care for our mutual future to develop more user-friendly, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving LED display products and technologies, moving the industry forward to more sustainable growth. Concentrating on LED display manufacturing and applications makes us who we are. We are LianTronics, your trustworthy display solution provider.